Ndewo. I'm Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now, and you're welcome to today's lesson. The lesson for today is titled Chuka nwere okpole. Chuka has a ball. But before we start, the main words we'll learn today are okpole, ball, ọhụụ, new, ịgba, to play or to kick a ball. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Chuka nwere okpole. Chuka nwere okpole ọhụụ. Okpole na-amasị Chuka. Okpole ọhụụ Chuka siri ike. Okpole Chuka adịghị ochie. Okpole Chuka dị ọhụụ. Chuka maara ka esi agba okpole. Chuka gbara okpole taa. Chuka ga-agba okpole echi. Chuka na-agba okpole ya. Chuka nwere okpole ọhụụ. That's the story for today. The words we've learned today are okpole, ball, ọhụụ, new, ịgba, to play or kick a ball. Don't forget to play this video again and say each word and sentence again and again until you learn how to say it, how to say every word. If you haven't yet done so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learn Igbo Now. Ka o mesịa. See you soon.